Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a quick haul that I want to share. I have been waiting several months for this item to finally come to me, and I was able to pick it up this week. I thought I would share as soon as I can so I can figure out how to use it. As you can see, it's from Dior. It's an item that I pre-ordered 4 months ago, and I was actually expecting it in January, but it was taking a lot longer for it to come through, and now it's finally here. I'm really excited, so I'm just going to jump right into it. So the item itself came directly from the warehouse or factory, so it came like this straight up in its box. And there's no additional packaging. It was actually taped up. I opened it up just to make sure the item was inside and just to see how it was packaged, but this is how it was given to me. It was popped in a bag and given to me. So inside, you'll see it looks like this. And if I move the top cardboard, it reveals the item inside. So very exciting. I finally was able to grab my Dior and Rimowa collaboration piece. So the dust bag is the special Dior Rimowa, and on the back I think it has the Rimowa logo, which I think is really cool. By the size of the item you can probably guess which item it is, but I'll show you which colorway I chose. Nice. What color do you think it's going to be? I picked up it in the blue oblique pattern. So this is the hand carry case in the gradient blue oblique monogram pattern. Ooh, it looks really cool even on camera. Here's the top. This is just, I think, the tag. Yeah, it's like the explanation of what the item is. So it looks like this. Here are the sides. The back, there is a tag, and then there's also this elastic part. I'm trying to grab the elastic for sliding it on top of your suitcase. My words aren't coming out today. And then this is the other side. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Let me see. So to open it, I have to actually move this little sticker aside, but to open it, there's the lock at the top. You push it and you have to move it so that it pops up all the way, and then it opens like so on the inside. Woo, that's nice. And then there's a strap that comes with this bag. It's a gray strap that just says Christian Dior on it. So this is the gray strap, and it just has the very similar ooh, do you see that? Let me see if I can get closer. It has a D on one side for the little hook, and the other side has a C. So that's for Christian Dior, I'm sure. And let me move out. This is the care booklet, I believe, and it looks like this. Oh, there's the certificate of authenticity, which is in the blue cloudy campaign that they did, and it has a little blurb on the collaboration. So it says, Dior Rimowa. Rimowa has teamed up with luxury fashion house Dior for a memorable one-of-a-kind collection that celebrates the best of the two brands. Inspired by Rimowa's vintage Piccolo case from the early 90s, the Dior and Rimowa hand case revives this hand luggage design for the first time. Made with high-quality aluminum and a removable crossbody strap, the special edition Dior and Rimowa hand case features Dior's seasonal colors and emblematic oblique design, a signature motif of the iconic house that dates back to 1967. Using an innovative combination of anodizing processes, Vibrant pigments are inscribed directly into the product's aluminum skin, lending the design a rich, reflective appearance that celebrates the spirit of the aluminum as the building block of the collection. Should you encounter a problem with your product, visit any Dior or Rimowa location or contact us online at dior.com or rimowa.com. So that's cool. So when I was taking a closer look at everything, I realized on the other side there was this really cool Dior Rimowa luggage tag and some really cute stickers. They have like a specific blurb in there for this piece, given that it is a very special collaboration, so that's exciting. But the inside is just like this. So there are two main compartments with a zipper compartment in the middle. I'm gonna open up the zipper compartment. Yep, it's just a little zipper pouch, and there are two slip pockets right here. And there's just like a satin interior. It's probably polyester. But let me do up the case again. There we go. Yeah, this is, I have to take off all the little protective stickers all over the place, but this is the hand carry piece that I decided to pick up. When I first saw the collection, I know they came out with the personal clutch, they had the hand carry, they had like a very, very special order, like champagne carrier. And they also had the continental carry-on luggage, or like the suitcase, the roller bag, and then they had a big suitcase. So I was debating getting like the carry-on suitcase because I don't have any Rimowa suitcases at the moment, so I thought, oh, this might be a good reason to have both of them, but I just felt like it was a little too much for me to be able to carry around in the airport. I didn't want to draw too much attention to myself with it, honestly. And I just really loved this hand carry case. It felt like it was a wonderful, more of like a collector's piece, because I don't necessarily see myself taking this to the airport, but it does have that very like iconic golden age of travel type of aesthetic to it, which I really liked, and I figured it would really be also like a beautiful piece to have at home. But I definitely wanted something from the collection, from the collaboration, because it was just really special. And this blue color, it was like a no-brainer. They came out with like a white oblique, a black, and then this blue, and it was like a no-brainer to just get this colorway. It was definitely the prettier one to get. That is what I pre-ordered last year, and I waited months and months for it to finally arrive. I am very excited that it's here. I was a little bit disappointed in the whole process though. There was like an initial target date that was shared. Usually for the most part for pre-orders, like that should be a pretty good indicator of when it's going to come. But then like days were passing, weeks were passing, and it was just like, oh, you know, this blue color is more difficult to create, so they're a little bit delayed on the blue colorway, but some of the other items have been coming through, etc., etc. I don't know, it just felt like there was no sense of real timing for when it would actually come. So it was just like ended up being a big waiting game, and then it's like, I don't know, 6 weeks after the initial estimated time frame, and you know, we were finally able to pick it up. And then also I know, like, I've seen that there are specific like branded, you know, like the personal clutch, the small one, comes in the sky blue cloud box and everything. And there were like special Dior X Rimowa like shopping bags and things like that, which clearly like did not come with this item, which that was also a little bit disheartening. Maybe this is considered more of a luggage piece, and luggage pieces don't necessarily come in stylized boxes. It did come straight from the manufacturer, so it might have, or the warehouse, so it might have just been in the box that it normally gets shipped to a boutique, and then the boutique sells it, you know, like this or in the dust bag. But yeah, that was like less than ideal for me as well. It is such a large collaboration. It was something that was highly coveted, highly limited, and all of that, and I just felt like it was getting treated like it was any other purchase that finally came through, and that's that's not really what this was. At least it wasn't for me. That's not what it felt like when they were trying to pre-sell all the items either. But then like, okay, after they made all the sales, it was like, this is just how you're going to get it. And then here you go, the delivery is finally here so you can leave. Like, that's the sense that I got. So that wasn't the best in my opinion. I'd be curious to see if there are other like LVMH in-house collabs that evolve to be a little bit better than that, because I wasn't really thrilled. But anyway, that is what I picked up from the Dior Rimowa collaboration. I'm excited about this piece. I will probably still like shoot with the piece, like take pictures and things like that. But I really don't expect to be taking it for travel. Maybe for like little road trips, like it might be fun to do just to carry it on a road trip like that. But otherwise, it'll probably be an item that stays at home. It will be used as some partial storage and as like a decorative object at home. Did you pick up any piece from the Dior Rimowa collaboration? If you did, let me know. I'd love to know what item you picked up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Sunday. So until next time,